followed by an in-depth conversation. Cool.
Yes. Hello, hello everyone. I am here with another amazing live session with vapi. I am Maria, facilitator at Rehan School Online Academy. We are doing our live session, so without wasting time, let's welcome our guest.
All right, let's get this show on the road.
Yes, so we continue our conversation. My first question to you is our topic is exclusive snow leopard, Pakistan's prize gem. My first question is what makes snow leopard such a unique and iconic species in Pakistan?
Well, snow leopards are like the rock stars of the animal kingdom. They're elusive, majestic, and just super cool. Plus, they're the top predators in their habitat, so they've got that whole king of the mountain thing going on. And the fact that they can survive in such extreme environments just adds to their mystique.
Why is snow leopard often referred to as Pakistan's prize gem?
Oh, the snow leopard is like the crown jewel of Pakistan's wildlife. It's a symbol of the country's natural beauty and biodiversity. Plus, it's a major tourist attraction, drawing people from all over the world who want to catch a glimpse of this rare and beautiful creature. So, yeah, it's definitely a prized gem in Pakistan's wildlife crown.
Can you describe natural habitat of snow leopards in Pakistan?
Sure thing. Snow leopards are found in the mountain ranges of Pakistan, particularly in the northern areas like Gilgit Baltistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. They're all about that high altitude life, chilling, no pun intended, in rocky terrains, alpine meadows, and steep cliffs. It's like their own little VIP section of mountain range.
What role do snow leopard play in ecosystem of Pakistan's mountain regions?
Oh, the snow leopards are like the guardians of the mountain ecosystem. They help maintain the balance by keeping the population of wild ungulates in check, which in turn prevents overgrazing of vegetation. This helps preserve the delicate ecological balance of the mountain regions, ensuring the survival of other species and the overall health of the ecosystem.
How
So,
many
they're kind of like the eco warriors,
how many snow
I think.
leopards are estimated to be in Pakistan today?
The estimated population of snow leopards in Pakistan is around 200 to 420 individuals. These elusive cats are pretty good at blending in with their surroundings, so it's not easy to get an exact count, but that's the best estimate we have for now.
What are main threats to snow leopard population in Pakistan?
The main threats to the snow leopard population in Pakistan are habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, poaching, and illegal wildlife trade. These factors put a lot of pressure on the already small and dwindling population of snow leopards in Pakistan. It's a tough situation, but conservation efforts are in place to address these threats and protect these beautiful creatures.
How is climate change affecting snow leopards in Pakistan?
Climate change is affecting the snow leopards in Pakistan by altering their natural habitat. The changing climate is causing shifts in vegetation patterns, affecting the availability of prey, and forcing snow leopards to adapt to new environmental conditions. This can lead to increased competition for resources and potential conflict with local communities as the leopards search for food. So, climate change is definitely a significant challenge for the survival of snow leopards in Pakistan.
What conservation efforts are currently being implemented to protect snow leopards in Pakistan?
Conservation efforts in Pakistan include the establishment of protected areas, community-based conservation initiatives, anti-poaching patrols, and raising awareness among local communities about the importance of snow leopard conservation. Additionally, efforts are being made to address human-wildlife conflict through the implementation of livestock insurance programs and the promotion of sustainable livelihoods for local communities. These
How,
efforts are crucial in ensuring the long-term survival of snow leopards in Pakistan.
how successful have these conservation efforts been since recent years?
The conservation efforts have shown some positive results in recent years. There has been an increase in community involvement and awareness about snow leopard conservation. Anti-poaching efforts have led to a decrease in illegal hunting, and the establishment of protected areas has provided a safe habitat for the snow leopards. However, there's still a long way to go, and continuous monitoring and adaptive management are needed to ensure the long-term success of these conservation efforts.
What role do local communities play in the conservation of snow leopards?
Local communities play a crucial role in the conservation of snow leopards. They are the ones who live in close proximity to the snow leopard habitat and often come into contact with these animals. By involving local communities in conservation efforts, they can become stewards of the land and wildlife. They can participate in anti-poaching patrols, help mitigate human-wildlife conflict, and promote sustainable livelihoods that are compatible with snow leopard conservation. Their involvement is essential for the long-term success of conservation initiatives.
How is snow leopard perceived in Pakistani culture?
The snow leopard holds a significant place in Pakistani culture. It is often revered as a symbol of strength, resilience, and natural beauty. In local folklore and traditions, the snow leopard is depicted as a majestic and mystical creature. Inspiring respect and admiration, its presence is deeply woven into the cultural fabric of the region, making it a cherished and iconic symbol in Pakistani culture.
What is significance of snow leopard in traditions of local communities?
The snow leopard holds great significance in the traditions of local communities. It is often seen as a symbol of power, agility, and grace. In some cultures, the snow leopard is believed to possess spiritual qualities and is revered as a guardian of the mountains. Many communities have folklore and stories about the snow leopard, highlighting its importance in their traditions. The presence of the snow leopard in their myths and legends reflects the deep connection between these communities and the natural world around them.
How does ecotourism centered around snow leopards contribute to Pakistan's economy?
Ecotourism centered around snow leopards can have a positive impact on Pakistan's economy. Tourists from around the world are drawn to the opportunity to see these elusive creatures in their natural habitat, creating a new source of income for local communities. This can lead to the development of eco-friendly lodges, tour companies, and other businesses that cater to wildlife enthusiasts. Additionally, ecotourism can raise awareness about the importance of conservation and help fund initiatives aimed at protecting the snow leopards and their habitats. So, it's a win-win situation for both the local economy and the conservation efforts.
What challenges does Pakistan face in balancing snow leopard conservation with economic development?
Pakistan faces the challenge of balancing snow leopard conservation with economic development. The need for infrastructure development, energy projects, and agricultural expansion can sometimes conflict with the conservation of snow leopard habitats. Finding the right balance between economic growth and environmental protection is a delicate task. It requires careful planning, sustainable development practices, and the involvement of local communities in decision making. It's a complex challenge, but one that can be addressed through thoughtful and inclusive approaches to development and conservation.
How does presence of snow leopard impact
Okay.
livestock and livelihood of local herders?
The presence of snow leopards can impact the livestock and livelihood of local herders. Snow leopards may prey on livestock, causing economic losses for herders. This can lead to human-wildlife conflict as herders seek to protect their animals from predation. However, conservation efforts, such as the implementation of livestock insurance programs and predator-proof corrals, aim to mitigate these conflicts and provide support for herders affected by snow leopard predation. Balancing the needs of both the snow leopards and the local herding communities is crucial for the coexistence of both.
What are some recent scientific discoveries related to snow leopard in Pakistan?
Recent scientific discoveries related to snow leopards in Pakistan have focused on population monitoring using camera traps and genetic analysis. These studies have provided valuable insights into the distribution and genetic diversity of snow leopards in the region. Additionally, research on snow leopard behavior, habitat use, and prey preferences has helped inform conservation strategies and management plans. These scientific discoveries are essential for understanding the ecological needs of snow leopards and developing effective conservation measures to protect.
How do researchers track and monitor snow leopards population?
Researchers track and monitor snow leopard populations using a variety of methods, including camera traps, genetic analysis, satellite collars, and scat surveys. Camera traps are set up in known snow leopard habitats to capture images of the elusive cats, helping researchers estimate population size and distribution. Genetic analysis of scat and hair samples can provide information about individual snow leopards and their genetic diversity. Satellite collars are used to track the movements of snow leopards in real time, providing valuable data on their behavior and habitat use. SCAT surveys involve collecting and analyzing fecal samples to study snow leopard diet and health. These
What,
monitoring techniques are essential for conservation efforts and ensuring the long-term survival of snow leopards.
what technological advancements are aiding in study and conservation of snow leopards?
Technological advancements like remote sensing, GPS tracking, camera traps, and genetic analysis have revolutionized the study and conservation of snow leopards. Remote sensing techniques allow researchers to monitor changes in snow leopard habitat from a distance. GPS tracking devices provide real-time data on the movements and behavior of individual snow leopards. Camera traps capture images of snow leopards in the wild, helping researchers estimate population size and distribution. Genetic analysis of scat and hair samples can provide insights into the genetic diversity of snow leopard populations. These technological tools are invaluable for conservation efforts and enhancing our understanding of snow leopard ecology.
How does genetic research contribute to understanding and preservation of snow leopards in Pakistan?
Genetic research plays a crucial role in understanding the population structure, genetic diversity, and relatedness of snow leopards in Pakistan. By analyzing the genetic makeup of snow leopard populations, researchers can determine the health and viability of the population, identify key habitats and migration corridors, and inform conservation strategies. Genetic research also helps in tracking individual snow leopards, monitoring their movement patterns, and identifying potential threats such as inbreeding and genetic bottlenecks. This information is essential for the long-term preservation of snow leopards in Pakistan and ensuring their genetic health and diversity.
What are main findings of recent studies on snow leopards' behavior and ecology?
Recent studies on snow leopard behavior and ecology have provided valuable insights into the secretive lives of these elusive cats. Researchers have found that snow leopards are solitary animals, with large home ranges that they patrol to hunt and defend their territory. Their diet primarily consists of wild ungulates such as ibex and blue sheep. Studies have also shown that snow leopards are highly adapted to their harsh mountain environments, with unique physiological and behavioral adaptations that help them survive in extreme conditions. Understanding these behaviors and ecological requirements is essential for developing effective conservation strategies to protect snow leopards and their habitats.
How is Pakistan collaborating with neighboring countries to protect snow leopards?
Pakistan is collaborating with neighboring countries through initiatives like the Snow Leopard Conservation Action Plan, LSCAP, and the Global Snow Leopard Ecosystem Protection Program, GSLIP-P. These collaborative efforts aim to conserve snow leopards and their habitats across their range countries, including Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Mongolia, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. The countries are working together to address common threats to snow leopards, such as poaching, habitat loss, and human-wildlife conflict. By sharing knowledge, best practices, and resources, these collaborative efforts are essential for the long-term protection of snow leopards and the mountain ecosystems they inhabit.
What role does international funding play in snow leopard conservation in Pakistan?
Internet funding plays a significant role in snow leopard conservation in Pakistan by providing financial support for conservation initiatives, research projects, and community-based programs. These funds are used for anti-poaching efforts, habitat restoration, livestock insurance programs, and community education. By leveraging online platforms to raise funds, conservation organizations can reach a broader audience and engage with global supporters who are passionate about snow leopard conservation. This support is essential for implementing effective conservation strategies and ensuring the long-term survival of snow leopards in Pakistan.
How do global conservation organizations contribute to protection of snow leopards in Pakistan?
Global conservation organizations play a key role in the protection of snow leopards in Pakistan by providing funding, technical expertise, and resources for conservation initiatives. These organizations support research projects, anti-poaching efforts, community-based programs, and habitat conservation measures. They also collaborate with local partners, government agencies, and other stakeholders to develop and implement conservation strategies that are science-based and sustainable. By working together, global conservation organizations contribute to the protection of snow leopards and their habitats in Pakistan. helping to ensure the long-term survival of this iconic species.
What lessons can Pakistan learn from other countries with successful snow leopard conservation programs?
Pakistan can learn valuable lessons from other countries with successful snow leopard conservation programs. Countries like Mongolia, Nepal, and India have implemented a range of conservation measures that have proven effective in protecting snow leopards and their habitats. Pakistan can learn from their experiences in community-based conservation initiatives, anti-poaching efforts, habitat restoration, and human-wildlife conflict mitigation. By studying the successes of these programs and adapting them to the local context, Pakistan can improve its own conservation strategies and enhance the long-term survival of snow leopards in the country. Learning from the experiences of others can be instrumental in strengthening snow leopard conservation efforts in Pakistan.
How does Pakistan's snow leopard conservation effort contribute to global biodiversity goals?
Pakistan's snow leopard conservation efforts contribute to global biodiversity goals by protecting a keystone species and its fragile mountain ecosystem. The conservation of snow leopards helps preserve the biodiversity of the high-altitude habitats in which they reside. By safeguarding the snow leopard's habitat, Pakistan is also protecting a wide range of other species that share the same ecosystem. Additionally, the conservation efforts contribute to global initiatives aimed at conserving iconic and endangered species, preserving genetic diversity, and safeguarding critical ecosystems. Pakistan's commitment to snow leopard conservation aligns with international efforts to achieve biodiversity goals and demonstrates the country's dedication to global conservation.
What legal protections are in place for snow leopard in Pakistan?
In Pakistan, the snow leopard is protected under the provincial wildlife laws and the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES. The provincial wildlife laws prohibit hunting, trading, or possessing snow leopards or their parts without proper authorization. Additionally, the species is listed on CS Appendix, which bans international trade in snow leopards and their body parts. These legal protections are essential for preventing poaching and illegal trade, and for ensuring the survival of snow leopards in Pakistan.
How effective are these legal protections in preventing poaching and habitat destruction?
The legal protections in place for snow leopards in Pakistan have been effective in preventing poaching and habitat destruction to some extent. The laws have helped deter illegal hunting and trade of snow leopards, and their parts and have provided a basis for the prosecution of offenders. However, challenges remain in enforcing these laws and addressing habitat destruction due to infrastructure development, human-wildlife conflict, and climate change. Continuous monitoring, strong enforcement, and community engagement are essential for ensuring the effectiveness of these legal protections and safeguarding snow leopards and their habitats.
What penalties exist for individuals and groups caught harming snow leopards in Pakistan?
Individuals and groups caught harming snow leopards in Pakistan can face severe penalties under the provincial wildlife laws. Penalties may include imprisonment, fines, and confiscation of assets. The specific penalties vary depending on the nature and severity of the offense, and the laws are designed to act as a deterrent against poaching, trading, or harming snow leopards. Additionally, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, imposes international trade bans and strict penalties for the illegal trade of snow leopards and their parts. These penalties are essential for deterring individuals and groups from harming snow leopards and for enforcing the conservation laws in Pakistan.
How can Pakistan improve its legal framework to better protect snow leopards?
Pakistan can improve its legal framework to better protect snow leopards by strengthening enforcement mechanisms, enhancing penalties for wildlife crimes, and addressing the root causes of human-wildlife conflict. The country can also work to integrate the conservation of snow leopards into national policies and development plans, ensuring that their habitats are adequately protected from infrastructure development and other forms of habitat destruction. Additionally, Pakistan can explore the establishment of specialized wildlife crime units and increase community participation in conservation efforts. By taking these steps, Pakistan can enhance its legal framework and improve the protection of snow leopards and their habitats.
Are there any gaps in Pakistan's current policies regarding snow leopard conservation?
Yes, there are some gaps in Pakistan's current policies regarding snow leopard conservation. These include the need for stronger enforcement of existing laws, improved coordination among government agencies and stakeholders, and greater involvement of local communities in conservation efforts. Additionally, there is a need for more research and monitoring to better understand the population size, distribution, and ecological needs of snow leopards in Pakistan. Addressing these gaps will be essential for strengthening snow leopard conservation efforts and ensuring the long-term survival of this iconic species.
How are local communities educated about importance of snow leopard conservation?
Local communities are educated about the importance of snow leopard conservation through a variety of outreach and awareness programs. Conservation organizations and government agencies work to engage with local communities through workshops, training sessions, and community events. These initiatives focus on raising awareness about the ecological role of snow leopards, the benefits of conservation, and the importance of coexisting with these animals. Additionally, education programs often involve the development of sustainable livelihood opportunities that are compatible with snow leopard conservation. By involving local communities in conservation efforts and providing them with the knowledge and resources they need, these education initiatives play a crucial role in fostering support for snow leopard conservation at the grassroots level.
What incentives are provided to communities to support snow leopard conservation efforts?
Communities are provided with incentives to support snow leopard conservation efforts through programs such as livestock insurance schemes, ecotourism initiatives, and sustainable development projects. Livestock insurance programs compensate herders for any livestock lost to snow leopards, helping to reduce human-wildlife conflict. Ecotourism initiatives create economic opportunities for local communities. By offering guided tours and accommodations for wildlife enthusiasts, sustainable development projects focus on promoting alternative livelihoods that are compatible with snow leopard conservation, such as handicrafts, sustainable agriculture, and natural resource management. These incentives are designed to foster support for conservation efforts and provide tangible benefits to local communities that coexist with snow leopards.
How do local traditions and beliefs about snow leopard impact conservation effort?
Local traditions and beliefs about snow leopards can have a significant impact on conservation efforts. In many cultures, snow leopards are revered as symbols of power, resilience, and natural beauty. These traditional beliefs can foster a sense of respect and admiration for the animals, leading to increased support for conservation initiatives. Additionally, local folklore and traditions often depict snow leopards as mystical and majestic creatures, further elevating their status and cultural significance. By integrating these beliefs into conservation messaging and initiatives, local communities can be empowered to take an active role in protecting snow leopards and their habitats. This cultural connection can be a powerful force for driving conservation efforts and ensuring the long-term survival of snow leopards.
What role do women play in snow leopard conservation in Pakistan's mountain regions?
Women play a crucial role in snow leopard conservation in Pakistan's mountain regions. They are often involved in community-based conservation initiatives, raising awareness about the importance of snow leopards and their habitats, and promoting sustainable livelihoods that are compatible with conservation efforts. Additionally, women are often key participants in ecotourism programs, providing hospitality services and sharing local knowledge with visitors. Their involvement in conservation efforts helps to empower women and build stronger, more resilient communities. By recognizing and supporting the contributions of women in snow leopard conservation, Pakistan can further enhance its conservation efforts and promote gender equality in the process.
How can Pakistan enhance community involvement in snow leopard conservation?
Pakistan can enhance community involvement in snow leopard conservation by promoting participatory approaches in conservation planning and decision-making. This involves engaging local communities in the design and implementation of conservation initiatives, empowering them to take an active role in protecting snow leopards and their habitats. Community-based conservation programs can involve local residents in anti-poaching efforts, habitat restoration, and eco-friendly livelihood opportunities. Additionally, education and awareness programs can help build support for snow leopard conservation at the grassroots level. By fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility among local communities, Pakistan can enhance community involvement and strengthen its conservation efforts for the benefit of snow leopards and the people who share their habitats.
Thank you for your wonderful information. Time of our live session has ended. See you soon in another live session with another amazing topic.
You're welcome. It was great chatting with you. See you next time for another amazing conversation. Take care.